All the links you need to join my chat or take action on the course or the mentorship are here. Otherwise, click that Twitter link to private message me. How's it going, everyone? It's Louis Crypto here. I'm back with another Vechain update. I haven't made a Vechain update in a while because I was away back in Turkey last week. But before I went, I was mentioning over on the Vechain, Gala, Phantom, HBAR and Beat Pro videos that we could be coming back to test this one fib level over here out of this Fibonacci. So there you go, first point, second point right there. One fib level has been retested. Guys, round of applause for that. Thank you guys so much. Please go ahead, like, subscribe, comment. That's the end of the video. I'm totally joking, guys, but thank goodness I was able to see what was happening going forward into the future. If you couldn't see it for yourself and you're surprised that we actually did manage to come back down to there and you want to learn it for yourself, I have all the tools you need to get to my level, to become a self-sufficient trader, someone that doesn't really need to rely on anyone else. But no, don't worry, because if you do want to rely on me, I share everything that I do in my Discord community. Nothing is financial advice. It's just what I'm personally doing, what I'm seeing in the markets. If you want to find out more information about all of this, then wait until the end of this video. But again, all the links you need to actually get into contact with me or just simply take action can be found in the description down below. Click those links and it'll bring you over to my link tree where you can private message me on my Twitter. Make sure you're following me there anyway, guys. We're almost at 2k followers. I think we need about 15 followers, so if we could do that this week, that would be incredible. Otherwise, take action through the course and the mentorships links over here, or become a member right over here and join that Discord community where there's over 80 people in there sharing their own personal strategies. A lot of people are in agreement, disagreement, and it's a wonderful community where we're all trying to help each other out. Heading back over to Vechain right now, where we did actually call for this downfall all the way back down to here. I would find it a great DCA level I find it a great price to DCA at these levels is what I mean. And in my Discord community, which I'll talk about later in this video, I place loads of areas where I think is a great time to DCA, where I personally will be DCAing into these cryptos. So a long time ago, I was already talking about getting some Vechain and those other cryptos that I spoke about down at these prices. And look, ever since actually losing that low and reclaiming it, losing the low, we've actually had an initial spike out of here. What this would make me believe is that, okay, we're definitely not finished here. I'd believe that something like this is going to happen where we run into these EMAs and get another rejection and actually look to try and fill in this wick. It doesn't mean that 100% we're going to fill in this wick. What I mean by that, it doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to come all the way down. You can, and we can continue lower and go into these next set of targets, which I've spoken about in the past. It's just, of course, while I was in Turkey, we had this, the SEC suing Binance US as well as Coinbase, and this is what led to a lot of cryptos dumping because they said certain ones were securities. If anyone can actually show me the list of securities, I know there's the one that they said is on Coinbase and Binance, but I have people in the group chat saying that there were more. I did not see Vechain on that initial list, but I hear people in my Discord community are saying that Vechain was on somewhat of a list. So let me know if you can find a list where there was more than 20 of those cryptos that they did mention. Is there more, or is there just 20? Let me know in the comment section below, because on those 20 I didn't see Vechain. I might be mistaken, guys, but I didn't personally see Vechain, but we saw the absolute cascade with all alts, not just Vechain, with all alts. And this was something that we were talking about on the channel because of this. So yes, we had this initial dump because, oh yes, Coinbase, Binance US sued. However, we were already calling for this because it was in the technical analysis. In fact, we've been talking about this on Quant since November last year, and the amount of hate I've been getting is absolutely hilarious in my eyes. But look, guys, it's all coming to fruition, isn't it? And it's crazy that people don't want to hear it. That's why if you want to see how I view the market for yourselves, it'd be great if you took action on the course or the mentorship. The mentorship is the best option because you get the course for free. You're going to get 3 months in my Discord community for free, and then you can just decide whether you want to stay on or not at a 50% discount for the rest of your life, pretty much. But the reason why we were calling for this was there were some simple patterns over here, being a descending triangle. That was the main one, and we can see it. This is what's appearing on many alts. This is actually what we were talking about back in November on Quant. Again, as I'm going to keep mentioning it because we've been literally talking about this downfall for months and months and months on end. Can we see if this pattern's target has been met? So if I'm going to take it from the highest body back down to the lowest body right there, so from that point to that point, put it on the loss of that, I think we've just missed it. Yeah, we just missed it. A lot of people are going to say we met it. It's down to you. You decipher if that's target being met. I can see that the target's not being met, but You could have been trailing stop loss, you could have been greedy and taking profits. It's down to you. Or you could have just decided, okay, it's got very close now. Instead of me putting short positions here and trying to leverage trade Vechain like a crazy fucker, instead of doing that, we could just enter long like DCAs over here. That's what we were personally doing in the Discord community. So if that's something that you want to be a part of, then just send me a private message through my Twitter. You need to really be careful, guys, because there's fake accounts, and it's so annoying because I keep reporting them and Twitter's like, no, they're not fake accounts. It is really annoying me, guys. So please, if you want to head over to my Twitter and follow me and try and get me to 2,000 followers and to private message me anyway. Again, I was making updates over on my Twitter while on holiday. But yeah, click this link over here. It's going to bring you to the only real Twitter. I've got a blue tick over here. This was me out Chia in Turkey. Yeah. And yeah, that was me in the beach, if you can even call it a beach. But yeah, we're just floating and I was enjoying the FS. But yeah, this is where you can private message me, and we were making some updates throughout the week over here. Just like this quant update where we had a breakout of this bullish falling wedge, but failed to actually validate the neckline of this potential inverse head and shoulder. And invalidating this massive head and shoulders, you need to break through the 200 EMA as well as this yellow line. And so for that, until those moments, this pump is just a bearish retest of key levels of resistance, and then price should dump. And I think that is what we've seen today. If you've just come over from my quant video, this is not my quant chart. Holy moly. I'm not even going to be able to find it, am I? No, of course. This always happens, guys. I'm so sorry. Here we go. Oh, that's the DCA level. So yeah, this is something that you could see see in my Discord community. I know not a lot of you are watching my quant videos, so for the very few of you, you're lucky. Otherwise, just join the Discord community. I do this for every crypto pair as well as longer term bull market targets, my personal views on the market, chart patterns for you to trade, just like the Bitcoin falling wedge, which we mentioned in today's update. Let's check it out. Bitcoin over here. So this is the sort of thing that we're doing in the community, as well as weekly group calls. So if that's something that you want to be a part of, then you know what to do. That's pretty much it for today. I'll catch you in the next one, and more information will follow on how you can take action, guys. Cheers. Hit those links in the description and pinned comment section below. Click the course and the mentorship. You can actually get the course. It's 30 plus videos, 6 hours long, and it's £125. I've discounted this so much for you guys. I'm also going to throw in a free Discord chat for 3 months. And yeah, if you want to find out what you actually get in the Discord for free for 3 months, just click this membership bit. I will go through that with you. So here's the half plan and here's the full plan. You can read it in your own time. If you want to become a member, you just click this link and this is what you can get. Join the Discord. I share my investments, DCA levels, bull market targets, chart patterns to trade, weekly group mentorship calls. I alert all my personal moves. Again, not financial advice. I'm just sharing what I'm personally doing, guys. So yeah, if you want to support me on a monthly basis and join the Discord community, again, there's so many like-minded people in there. There's over 80 people in there, and a lot of them coming up with their own strategies. I guess I can briefly head over to the Discord and we can see over the trade results. Look at this, guys. Already from today, we're seeing people profit 21%, 18%. Shout out to Glyph, 33%, 54% from Blue Chip. AMA is an absolute top fucking G. He's killing the market. And he keeps saying, no, Louis, I'm a noob. No, you're not a noob, mate. Look at this. Obviously, it's a meme coin, but incredible gains over here. If you want to learn to be able to profit just like these guys all took action on the course or the mentorship. So yes, you can actually join the community and see this for yourself. But if you want to be taught how to do this and profit like these guys, then just simply private message me over on my Twitter. Again, link down below. Click the Twitter link. It's going to bring you over to my Twitter, and somewhere over here you can private message me about more details. Otherwise, head over again to the link tree. Either click the membership level, the course and the mentorship. This is the same link as well. Buy Me a Beer is just the initial website. So yeah, you can even just try out a single mentorship session. This is where we see people actually taking action on those memberships and so on and so forth. So yeah, if you want to take action on the memberships, it's over here, this one. There are some further levels. Just go through them in your own time. Otherwise, the bookings over here for the course or the full or half mentorship plans. Thank you guys.